So coming back to forum, I want to first congratulate you for continuing your studies. You were always very academic. Forum, please tell our audience, because what happens, this is a very everywhere, wherever we go, either for career guidance or we talk to people from NGOs, they find it very, very difficult to digest the fact that after doing just a diploma course, how can a girl, how can a student cope up with a curriculum of 14, that is second year of BCom or say BMS? तो कैसे कर पाएगी उसका ये करिकुलम में, ये सिलेबस में वो कैसे कर पाएगी? वो नहीं कर पाएगी, काइंड ऑफ, मतलब उनको लगता है, दे फाइंड इट वेरी इट इज अनबिलीवेबल कि आफ्टर दिस डायरेक्टली दे गेट एडमिशन इन 14th and 15th और हो गया खत्म. सो 10th 11th 12th, बिकॉज ट्रेडिशनली वो दिमाग में है ना. तो प्लीज इफ यू कैन tell our viewers that how our course is aligned with second year of degree program.
Right. Sure, ma'am. I think viewers ke liye it would be unbelievable, but my friends who are on the Zoom, on the Facebook Live, they will pretty much agree with me that it is just believable when you join this course. Kyunki this course is designed in such a way, matlab uska curriculum is designed in such a manner that it covers the commerce subjects, jaise economics hai, ऑफिस ओसी है, सेक्रेटरियल प्रैक्टिस है, एवरीथिंग इज कवर्ड. लाइक जो कॉमर्स में सिखाते हैं फॉर 11th 12th and 13th, all the subjects are covered in this course, apart from along with other subjects, जैसे कि I told you communication skills and all that stuff, time management. Also, when I joined the 14th SY BCom, I found it actually pretty easier than my other friends who are doing SY BCom, because somewhere it was a training in the course given ki how to study. Because in our course it is like every week there used to be periodic tests, exams, project submissions, group discussions, everything was there. So when I took admission in SY BCom, I found that it is somewhat I have already covered in the course itself. So first thing, it was easy for me, and the pattern which I had adopted it during our DAS course helped me again, because weekly वो book read करने की आदत थी, थोड़ा points mark करने की, important points mark करने की आदत थी, खुद से आंसर्स बनाने की आदत थी. दिस ऑल एक्चुअली हेल्प मी, जो मैंने पहले स्कूल लेवल पे कभी नहीं किया था. दिस ऑल हैड आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोर्स, एंड आई फील कि टीचर्स plays a very important role in this course, since this course is also unique, which is like very different from other courses and only available with PV Polytechnic at Juhu. I feel that teachers for every student plays a very important role. Matlab, they gives personal attention. Ki for you it will be better. These are your weaknesses. Focus on this part of your this. It will help you. Which is, अगर commerce या बाकी इसमें नहीं होता था. And because of all this developed skills, it
I think there is some bandwidth issue with forum.
First class.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you forum. Thank you so much. So which means it is theory, skill, life skill, sub all in one package. Okay. And
sorry, ma'am. Also, I would like to add that this is one of the unique course which is AICP Delhi approved, and that's why you directly get SYB admission in SY BCom, which like it's not there with any of the colleges or any, because it's a unique thing. That's why we get directly admission, and our course is covered with all these things.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for joining us. Then let's go to Jaini now. Jaini, I remember, as I always used to tell you as a student also, and I used to extremely like this quality of yours, that you were so success driven. So and that made you participate in everything and desire to win in whatever activity you participate. But I want to know that any specific activity that you participated and it helped you in your career or in your personal life. So, Jenny?
Jaini, you will have to unmute.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Regarding this question, there are many activities which helped me, but one of the most activity that which helped me the most was reading newspaper. We in this course there was a lecture every day. We have to give 5 headlines. We have to cut out, and we have to stick in the book, and then we have to summarize about that article. मुझे इतना इरिटेट होता था एवरी डे कि क्या ये बचपन है, मतलब मैं स्कूल में वापस आ गई हूँ क्या, मतलब एवरी मॉर्निंग सबमिट करना एंड शली मैम नहीं तो पूछे कि आज क्या दिया है आपने, क्या लिख के दिया है, वी हैव टू एक्सप्लेन। मतलब कभी कभी तो हम लोग, मतलब मैं फ्रेंड से अपन बोलते तेरे में क्या है तो वही सेम ले, बाद में शली मैम यूज्ड टू गेट टू नो नहीं नहीं यू हैव टू गिव योर ओन, ऐसा करके। बट लेटर ऑन मेड अ हैबिट कि रोज सुबह पेपर पढ़ना है। यू नो व्हाट, दिस हेल्प मी इनडायरेक्टली, इट हेल्प मी इन लाइफ में। लाइक अभी एडवोकेट हो तो मुझे करंट अफेयर्स में अपडेटेड रहना पड़ता है, सेक्शंस क्या है, लॉज क्या है, क्या आ रहा है क्या नहीं आ रहा है। सो इनडायरेक्टली हेल्प मी लॉट कि मैं रोज सुबह उठ के पहले अभी पेपर ही पढ़ती हूँ। सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्टिविटी, दो आई यूज्ड टू हेट बट नाउ आई यूज्ड टू लव इट बिकॉज वो मुझे बहुत हेल्प कर रही है।
Oh, that's very nice to know. I think you, Shelly ma'am, खुश हो जाएगी ये सुन के. She's listening also. So, thank you.